Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like it, comment. Happy Sunday, happy 26, happy Big Brother Santa Season 6. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself for Bazoza. So let's get to start of today. So, guys, the reason why Uliema and Bravo B, they are 100% sure one of them is walking away with the 2 million rand. You can see Bravo B has a very confident, guys. So yesterday, there's something Uliema she said the production team personally called her and Bravo B and told them they want them to be on the same season so viewers can finally understand their relationship. Even yesterday when they were busy, she said Smash is coming, they're gonna have a dinner. They did have a dinner and Smash came to see them, guys. So guys, this season is all about redemption, meaning second chance. According to the way Smash he was saying yesterday, guys, keep telling them, oh, to know, man, the winner might be someone who came for a second chance, and people have already accepted it. With Uliema, she's taking this one because Uliema and Bravo B, who has a strong fan base, obviously it is Uliema, guys. Even the Italians are starting to say, you know what, there's nothing we can do. We try our best. Uliema, she's taking this one. So people are saying, what we knew very from the start, this season it is all about redemption, second chance. So why couldn't they just call all the housemates, the old housemates, to come together and then they form Big Brother Mzansi Season 6 Bazoza? Right now, about Thandeka, about Didi, they are competing with Liema. Liema has close to 400 followers on Instagram. Uthandeka, she had 300 followers on Instagram. Right now, she's sitting on 70, guys. There's nothing Uthandeka can do, guys, compared to Liema. So people are saying, about, no, man, we knew very well that with Liema, she's taking this one. So people have accepted Uliema, she's going to win tonight. But there are people that are saying, about there's a chance that Uthandeka might win. Some are saying Q, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, who do you think is winning tonight, guys? The Big Brother Mzansi Season 6 Bazoza. Bye.